name is Sidney F.C.R. and welcome to another review video. In today's video I'm gonna take a closer look on this Paris Saint-Germain concept home jersey for next season 2023-2024. I bought this jersey from codeevents.com. This one is the play version. Before we check this one out, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I'm also videos on the way. So now, let's check this one out.
And even if we try so hard, we're never gonna get this far. We're never gonna get this far. Trust me, trust me. And even if we try so hard, we're never gonna get this far. We're never gonna get this far. Trust me, trust me. Just let me see where I could be.
So that's this Paris Saint-Germain home jersey, the concept one for next season. Let me know what you guys think of this one. I really like this one, even though I don't think this one is going to be the actual home jersey for next season. I really like this jersey, especially those golden details, the Nike swoosh, etc. is really nice on this one. In the next clip will show you how this play version jersey fits me. Once again, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I'm also videos in the way, so don't miss it out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.